Hello everyone, today in this tutorial I'm going to explain as well as demonstrate how to place and set up objects in your game world. There are a couple of ways that we can add objects to our level. The first one is through brushes. To get a brush, we will need to select objects under the roller bar and click on brush. Here there's a folder that we can open with various objects and various effects that we can add to our game level. So to add, for instance, we can add here on this area here, we can add a bench like this one. We can go to props, furniture, benches, and just select whatever bench we like. We can scroll down, and here we have an object preview that we can view and see what the object is like. So make sure we have this selected in order for that bench to be on top of our object. So click on that object and just drag and drop it wherever we like. So if we put it right here, it will be on top of that wooden area. However, in order to make it more realistic, we can use that button to rotate the bench like so. Make sure it's really on top of the object like so. And here you can see we added an object. However, brushes are very solid and simple objects for game engines because they can be rendered very quickly, and they do not have any physical properties. To add an object with physical properties, we will need to select Geom Entity. Here we have the same folder objects with the same objects that we can add from the brush option. So if we add, for example, add a building this time, you can click on open the structure folder, open then the building folder, and then a fishing house like so. Then if we place a fishing house on here, we can select this one and drop down to the objects preview. Okay, we've used the same house right here. We can use a different one now. Fishing house. Zoom out a bit. Preview the house and just do the same thing. Just drag and drop it to your map like so. Now you can see house is not aligned properly, so we just need to rotate it to wherever we like so. And you can see we've added a house on top of our terrain like so. We can then change the color of the house by clicking the house, and then here where it says MTL assign material, we can open the material editor window, and it gives us a list of colors like green, blue and red. Okay, let's select blue this time. Assign, press this, assign item to selected object. Close that window, and you can see our building has changed its color to blue, but this is very strange because I don't know what these white stuff are. Okay, we can add various other objects to our terrain using brush or Geom Entity. All these houses, trees and rocks, I have used Geom Entity because I think they're very useful, and they have physical properties assigned to them. So if there's an explosion in this area right here, the explosion will move the Geom Entity objects, so you'll make it more realistic and enable these objects to act as in real life. we can add other objects using archetypes. Archetypes, we can get an archetype right here and then open various folders like so. Lamppost, we can add a lamppost like the lamppost we have here. For example, lamppost, scroll down to see, or you can't see on this one, just move your drag and drop it and you can see we have a lamppost here. So if you jump into the game, the lamppost here, we can shoot it down and it will break. Also, these lobster cages are archetypes objects. You can see the barrel moving because it's an archetype object. So if you shoot it down, they behave in the with a physical state of mind, like so, and escape. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and see you next time.